Oceanfront lifestyle meets convenience in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo nestled in the Sea Spray complex. Unit 258 offers an open floor plan, private deck access from both the living area and the master bedroom, and a view of the ocean and the ICW. Just moments from the beach, enjoy the amenities of beach access, a community pool, picnic areas, and more. Ideal as a coastal retreat or investment property. Don't miss this rare opportunity to just add water to your lifestyle.